should come like Akuffo again. Nobody. Nobody, like no leader. Nobody should try it. And sometimes me reflecting nyoma esi and the people that esi woman to me and kashi. Omo to me and sorry. Mpacho, have you seen a video of a chief talking about Akuffo's chair? Say whether ye torture any man and ask or no toy. Now say ye toy and ye baby fat chair no akwa museum. Ye fan chair and Akuffo say, have you seen the video? You ask yourself, say, Akuffo power na papa
no.
As also known to me in Kasa.
Thank
you. I'm telling you, Akuffo wababet no so. No moon to me in Kasa. Nobody, look, he has some of us will make it our personal agenda. And I tell you, sir, inauguration obituary is dead. So listen, the Akuffo no here start to see your cry. I see no me petition ama oral. I see a
they are creative people.
You are not listening to me. Let me land. When I land, you listen to me. Whoever commissioned the statue.
Okay.
Whoever commissioned it. Good. That's the investigation. You saw on my seeker. There is some Kwasianoma way.
Oh, Tobo.
Facts. When they wrote there, die. No, listen. For 8 years, we've talked. For 8 years, no, me to me, boo. For 8 years, some of us have been talking. People are now talking. We will be talking, sir. I know how you tell an umbechi and coin. Can you kind? Hey, when the Akuffo assembly, and the Akuffo statue assembly. Oh my lucky. Listen, me lawyer. Busa statue now, and I'm friend, me lawyer. Me busa say, please. Who says state property? What are the consequences? And I say, oh, wait, this the mean. I say, okay, me nam quite so a quarter kasi baby. Sefas boyo of boyo at law. Busa me ankasa na me be so akwa bubu ade no. Me catch him why was Debbie. It's an insult. Listen, you see, look, we should not play. No, don't play.
You are playing.
Do you know? No, you are playing. No, you are playing. You don't understand. You don't understand too much. Okay, you exaggerated too much. You don't understand the gravity. Something that we have to do much. You go and borrow money and come and dig a tip. Come and dig a pit. For who to come and pay? My kids.
I'm not a politician. Come here if I'm a politician.
What's you say? Let us be serious.
If I open my mouth, you're about the political. I have to keep quiet.
We should be serious in this country for once.
Okay. What do you say?
What's the American? So, you say investigation. Kofono Musi, regional minister now or commission man. Yen share funds or the years adiano.
Honorable Tomska.
Thank you. Ena, kwai be no so the be kwaku see ho because ho is state land.
But that was the president of the republic.
Until the American so me to me sorry sis here. Me tia dabraka. No ma go start to road ni so.
Na me ka say.
En family who
see the na president.
See me to me sis here me ni ka say. Enko see Jesus please enko see His Excellency John Dramani Mahama statue we road so. Me ni sa kwan no. Who need the permit ni ade.
Okay.
It ye chi omu ni na to.
Process.
All
right. Say a process.
It's the Fourth Republic. Ziga.
No. You are